Welcome, Aquaba, to Diane's channel. Now I'm here. I remember I promised you that I was en route to have a one-on-one with the chairperson of the Marcus Mosiah Garvey Foundation. No other than Naomi Buchanan.
That's it.
Naomi, welcome.
Thank you very
Right?
much.
No,
Thank you very much.
I
You
met
bring some
you.
spirit.
Oh, thank you for that. Right? Thank you for that, Naomi. But I met you at our meet and greet, and I've spoken on the vlogs about my steps that I took once I arrived in Ghana. So I met Naomi briefly. However, we communicate via text because Naomi sends me the information that she knows that I would be interested in. Okay? And so this is actually the second time I'm seeing Naomi. And the journey was a pleasant one coming because, as I say, the weather in Ghana is nippy, right? Naomi, one of the things I present in my channel to the audience is giving them a little background, right? Okay, because with the diaspora, we know that we're all over.
Yeah.
But as I said, I like to make the distinction with the diaspora, meaning those like myself coming directly from Jamaica, boom, into Ghana, continent of Africa, right? So we raw, and current with our Jamaican experience. Yes, our experience is not going to be once upon a time or back in the day. And so through my eyes, when I speak about weather or certain things, it's directly comparing Jamaica today in its present stage.
Okay.
We also have the diaspora who left Jamaica and went chartered their journey, took them different regions, whether it be Canada, UK, or the US of A. And so I want to make that distinction. Yes, because it's important. Okay.
I
Now
hear
you, right? And unfortunately, I didn't get hubby today. Hubby is tied up, but that's okay. You left Jamaica. So could you tell the audience, please, when you left Jamaica and you came to the UK, how long did you live in the UK for?
Oh Lord. That's a long story.
Just give me how long.
I left Jamaica when I was 14 and a half, and I left UK when I was 50.
So you have been you lived in the UK for basically 36 years.
Yes.
Okay, so 36 years in the UK. Then you chose Ghana.
To Ghana.
How long have you been in Ghana?
We've been in Ghana now for coming up 19 years.
Wow, so I wasn't that bad. I said 20 plus years, but 19 years is a long time.
19 years.
Naomi, so
It
you
will
really
be
know.
20 years next year.
Wow, 20 years. I was ahead of myself, but it's just around the corner.
Yeah, man.
So one can safely say you know the system of governance
Oh, Lord.
in Ghana.
Oh, yes.
Yes,
Definitely.
right? And so for certain information, you are the person.
Well,
to
you know, we
reach
try
out
to
to.
we try to be we try to be the people to reach out to, and because of our experience
Yes.
here, and you know, we try to give advice to people, and you know, put them on the right pathway.
Yes.
You know, that is what we try to do,
And we
that is
appreciate
what
that. We appreciate
endeavor
that.
to do. Yeah.
The MMGF.
Yes.
When was that birth?
That was birth at the end of 2018.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's around how many years
3
now?
years now.
3 years. That's
Coming up
good.
3 years.
What
yes.
brought that on?
Well, what brought that on was, you know, we realized, I think, talking to young people here, even talking to seniors, they've never heard of Marcus Garvey in Ghana. Now, that was absolutely phenomenal for us. You know, you've never heard of Marcus Garvey. And, you know, we thought there's absolutely no way we can come here to Africa, you know, because of Marcus Garvey that's brought us here, because of Kwame Nkrumah, because of Rawlings, you know, J.J. Rawlings, of the inspiration to bring us here, that we can go without leaving some legacy of Marcus Garvey. So that was the inspiration for starting the Marcus Garvey Foundation. so we can build a institution in commemoration of Marcus Garvey. To basically, we're starting our training program now, looking at the blueprints of Garvey. Because Garvey says really at the end of the day that you have to basically look after yourself.
Absolutely.
You have to, if you want to make it through, you have to look after self.
Absolutely.
Okay? You have to think of yourself as a black person first. Yes? So this is what we're trying to do right now, particularly with the young people, is to try to get them on a footpath to look at how they can project themselves. Those who have not gone through formal education, but they are still capable of doing something. So we're starting our new vocational training in September. We're looking at solar installation and maintenance. We're looking at indigenous crafts. We're looking at electronics and electrics and motor mechanic. Those are the first 4 or 5 that we're going
and
to
that's I'll refer to that skill-based.
That's right.
Skill-based training.
Yeah.
In terms of Marcus Garvey and who he was and what he represented, is that something you're introducing, or would you be introducing, say, a Marcus Garvey study, early education? As young as soon as your kid can get into school, as part of the curriculum. You know, when they're learning about whatever. What did I learn back then? Rat, bat. Oh no, sorry. Come on, Dan, being silly.
That's spelling. Because I remember spelling in Jamaica. Bat, cat, rat.
but nowadays kids, right? We can agree they are so bright. And they are so exposed to a level. So therefore they can handle learning from early education on a Marcus Garvey. Is that something you're going to look into? Because I'm going to tell you why I come into that. Naomi, somebody like myself in our age range, not many of us went to university, right? I did business college. We didn't go to tertiary. And so whatever you hear about Marcus Garvey, many of us did not decide to do that on our own to, go and explore because you were otherwise caught up. But as you get into a sense of awareness, as we say, and your, personal development and trying to find yourself and your place and with everything that's happening out there, you get to appreciate, our national heroes, but more importantly, a Marcus Garvey, because I refer to him as a vision. The bigger top boss vision, the Don of all visionary. He truly was a visionary of his time. So I am saying right at early education, okay, would you not say that introducing Marcus Garvey to the young ones, is that something that the foundation will look at, along with your skill-based training?
Well, basically, definitely it's in line with our training. It has to be.
Absolutely.
Because that is basically a fundamental part
I believe
of
so.
what Marcus Garvey Foundation is about, to bring this legacy of Garvey forward. And the only way to do that is to ensure that what we teach is basically Garveyites. Yeah?
As one of, right? So at least they can have that conversation, yeah?
Yes.
And they know within themselves.
The thing about it is, careful. The thing about it is that sort of history is not taught in Ghana. That history is not taught in Ghana. So the client group that we are aiming for is the 16 to 30-year-old who have not gone through the formal education, gone through college, gone through tertiary education. The ones who are basically, their parents couldn't afford for them to go forward with their education. These are the ones we are targeting.
Excellent.
Because these are the ones we believe they have got the aptitude to succeed if they're given the opportunity. And so those are the ones we are targeting right now. Yes. So the thing is that anything that we are doing, it's got to be focused on Garvey, on Garvey's philosophy and his opinions. Yes, because as far as I'm concerned, that is the blueprint for us.
What if I told you that emancipate yourself from mental slavery. I thought those were the original words of Bob Marley. Robert Nesta Marley. I suppose I told you that. Well, listen, as far as I'm concerned, there's no shame in my game, because awareness can't come until you you face your own truth and face your own ignorance. It doesn't matter the reason why. And so when I learned that Marcus Garvey, he were the one that coined that phrase, I was like, and so. That even tells you
that
still
that you don't
we
have
don't,
to
we don't
say
really
anything else.
Okay.
Emancipate yourself from mental slavery.
Right?
None but yourself can free your mind.
And we didn't even know who the originator of that was. Many of us. Next question: how has it been? How many persons are on this foundation?
Okay, at the moment we have about 8 people.
Okay,
who are absolutely functional right now. But we are looking for more people to come in because there's so much work to do.
What is it that the foundation needs? 3 years into being, right?
Yeah.
In Ghana, what is it that the Marcus Mosiah Garvey Foundation needs now
We need
to
funds.
take it to the next level?
We need funds, desperately in need of funds, because everything you do is
Funding.
related.
Okay.
It's money related. In Ghana here, it's very, very difficult to get funding here. So we are appealing to people outside of Ghana, so many. But one of the things that is really fundamental, particularly with our training, is appealing to the industries in Ghana.
Yes.
Because we are going to do our training, but we need equipment. We need funding. One of the things that we are going to do with our students when they finish their course is to present them with a kit, a toolkit, so that they can go out and start their own business or do their own little
Entrepreneurship at the highest level, but that's where it starts from. Naomi, do you have a website?
Yes, we do. www.themmgf.org.
On that website, are persons able to make a donation?
Yes, they can. You can go to our website, and we've got a PayPal accessibility there, and you can also send, if you don't want to go through the website, you can send monies through World Remit to the Marcus Garvey mobile money here, which is 023 024 850 2378.
Naomi, I'm going to ask you to let me have that information again, that I'll put in the description to this vlog, the website, and of course the methods of payment.
Okay.
Audience, I'm saying to you, you all are familiar, again, with donating to charities, being a part of organizations. In the global space, it is my belief that $1, if it's even $1 that you can afford, that can go a long way, because we need all on board. What we need is something that I strongly believe in. Less enough of the chanting, and let's really get action. Action is like, let's get into our pockets and pay. Nobody is asking you. Nobody's putting a limit on what you can donate. Nobody is putting a minimum. When I make reference to $1, I'm just saying how small your contribution can be, because it can go a far way if we have many persons on board, right? Naomi, share with the audience the big day, 17th of August. Tell them exactly some of the things that's going on. I touched on 1 or 2 things, but hey, I'm here with the chairperson. Okay. You can do much better.
Well, the 17th of August for us, every year, we intend to celebrate Marcus Garvey here in Ghana on the 17th of August. So if you're planning your holidays, plan your holiday around the 17th of August every year. So please come to Ghana. The government says, year of return. They've invited us all to come. So you've got an invitation. There's nothing, make sure that you utilize that invitation. This year is going to be phenomenal because this is the first time we are including the schools.
Okay.
So the schools, there are 8 schools who are going to be competing against each other to see how they understand Garveyism, how they understand how Garvey influenced Africa, the footprints of Garvey in Africa. And believe it, Garvey have a lot of influence here. The black star in the flag of Ghana is an influence from Garvey.
Look at that.
You see?
I didn't know that.
And Nkrumah actually stated that the person that influenced him most than anyone, is Marcus Garvey.
Awesome.
You see?
Sorry,
So
that's fantastic.
we cannot go and, as our lives here is just short,
Yes.
right? And I can't come to Africa and see that Garvey is not known by the youths in Africa. So we have to do something. So this year we're having 8 schools competing against each other. We're having a debate, and our friend here, Perry, is on the one of the panelists, and you can speak with him after. And we are having a market expo where people come and sell their wares, Ghanaian made wares, etc. Now we can open this, next year to Caribbean and Ghana wear, so inviting you all to come and basically enjoy Marcus Garvey Day, the 17th of August. So this year is going to be phenomenal.
Thank you so much, Madam Chair.
Yeah.
Thank you. Perry, you spoke of your friend. Perry, can you just join my little audience and give us a little bop, bop, bop?
What you want me?
I'm going to give you you can come and take my chair, I'll just stand beside Naomi over here. Please introduce yourself, Perry, to the audience.
Hi,
please.
people. I'm Dr. Perry Stanislas. I'm not a Jamaican. I'm from St. Lucian. But I'm good friends with...
St. Lucian in the house. I've never met a St. Lucian before.
So
My
you're
fellow
blessed.
Caribbean. Yes, I'm
You're
blessed.
blessed.
Thank
Yes,
you.
yes,
Continue.
Yes. The island with the most Nobel Prizes.
Jamaica.
No, St. Lucia.
Continue.
Anyway, I'm Dr. Perry Stanislas. I go back over 40 years with Sister Norma's husband, Brother Neville. We went to school together. We came from the Pan-African movement together. He used to attend conscious raising classes I used to run. So we've been in this a long time.
Solid.
We're a long time Pan-Africanists. I joined the Pan-African Congress movement in 1979 when I was 16. And I've been part of this world ever since.
So are you living in Ghana or you
No,
visiting?
Ghana. Gambia is my base.
Okay, Ghana. Oh, wow.
Yeah. But Brother Neville's been asking me for years to come, and I've been putting him off because we operate strategically in terms of what the things we're planning for my investment club. I'm an executive member of Tahuti Investment Club, which is the oldest black investment club in the UK. And part of our constitution from day one is to invest in the Caribbean and Africa. Simple things. So after 17 years, when we achieve, you work with our people, we know how difficult it is. We reached our objective, and then we launched our international strategy. So I've been the lead in Gambia. Well, not only Gambia, we went to different African countries to look for, to carry out logistical research, carry out feasibility studies, before we decided against Ghana, because everybody goes to Ghana. Lots of Caribbean. I think Jimmy Cliff was the first Jamaican of high profile in the 60s who come to Ghana. Jimmy, and from Jimmy, Jamaica's been coming ever since.
Wow.
Okay?
Wow.
So we owe a big debt to Jimmy Cliff and many of those cultural artists. So we're very close to Ghana, because many of our people, everybody in the UK have a friend in Ghana. Lots of Jamaicans in Ghana, lots of Caribbean people in Ghana. Gambia, go down there. Jamaica there 45 years. And Tanzania. So those places are the favorite wives of the African. And so I thought it was time, in terms of our planning, we launched our international African investment strategy in June the 11th. So I eventually took up Neville's offer to come and see him. Because it would help us in terms of our planning, in terms of finding out what they're doing, find out the challenges, because in part of our strategy is to work closely with brothers and sisters from various countries. And of course, Ghana is going to be the first place because we try not to work with strangers. We work with people we know, and we know Brother Neville a long time, an honest, upright brother, and his wife. So that's going to be our hub. So I'm here looking at logistics. I'm not tourism. I'm not doing any tourism here. I'm just picking Neville's brain, listen to Sister talk, and go back and report back to my executive committee.
And Perry, you will be here obviously for the Marcus.
Yes,
Garvey.
yeah.
Excellent.
I've been told. yeah, I've been told by Sister Naomi that you will be there.
That will be there.
I will be cooking food and washing dishes too. So, but I come from a community organization background, so it's the big thing. Yeah, we here.
Very pleasure, right?
you.
But guess what you're going to do for me now? Both you and Madam Chair of the Marcus Mosiah Garvey Foundation. You're going to close out my channel, you know.
Okay.
So you better know how to, or you close it out. Tell me how you
Listen.
close it out now.
Listen, my people, let me tell you something, right? We are here. This is home.
Yeah.
You know, when I came to Ghana, you know, it's a spiritual thing.
Yes.
It's a spiritual thing because I'm telling you, all the ancestors them that over there is right here,
Yeah.
so,
Yeah.
including Garvey.
Yeah.
Yes.
And every morning I get inspiration from them.
Yes.
Yes.
Every morning I get inspiration. So I'm guided. I've always been saying, you know, they couldn't make it, so they've sent me,
Yes.
right? And I'm here to represent.
Power to
So
talk.
please.
Power
you
to
know.
talk. Terry.
Jamaica influence on Africa is big. I've been traveling and working in Africa over 35 years. And you go Uganda, you hear dancehall music, you hear reggae music, you hear calypso. You know, one of the few places where Jamaican passport is high status in Africa.
Yes.
They love Jamaican in Africa.
Yeah.
And trust you, wherever you go, you from Jamaica? No.
Oh,
Never mind. They all want to know Jamaicans.
Yeah.
And
You know-
this is from a fellow St. Lucia.
yeah.
Yes,
I would not
yes.
big up other people easily, but the truth is the truth.
Yes,
I have
yes.
two workers in Gambia, and I said, Chief, promise us you'll take us to Jamaica. They
Tell
want,
the Jamaica,
they
you
want
hear
to go reggae concert in Jamaica,
Jamaica.
and they will die after that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is sweet. This is like some jewels right here. And so I ask you guys, please like.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the next thing is share.
And support.
That's right. And
And
support.
YouTube
yeah.
term is subscribe.
Subscribe.
And subscribe
Yeah, man.
to the
Yeah.
channel.
Yeah.
God bless.
Yeah. Jamaica made a big contribution to Africa, and we need to keep that up.
Yeah.
Very
Thank you,
important.
Yeah, Marcus Garvey have to live. He said he will come back in the whirlwind, and the whirlwind is
We're
now.
there. We're there. Yeah.
We're here.
Yes. Thank you. Boom.